We will relate subtraction and addition using number bonds. Today you will get slides that look like this one. You will see a number bond model on the left and a place to write your equations on the right. In this example, I have a total of 12. I have two parts. One part has 8 and one part is unknown. I'm going to solve for the unknown and then I'm going to write or type in all 4 equations that go with this model. I know that when I have a total, I can split it into 2 parts. I'm going to split my 12 counters into 2 parts. One of the parts has an 8 because that's what my model is showing me. The other part I'm not so sure about yet. Once I put 8 down here in this part, I can see what's left that goes into this part. There are 4 left. Let me slide them down into my other part. So now I know that this is a 4. 12 was split into 2 parts, 8 and 4. 2 parts can be added together to get the total. So this is how I'm going to write my equations to the side. 2 parts, 8 plus 4 equal 12. Remember, the add-ins can be in any order and it will still give you the same total. So that is going to be my next equation. Subtraction can be a little bit trickier. Subtraction always start with the total. Then subtract out one of the parts to get the other part. You can subtract out whichever part you want to find the other part. 8, 12, and 4 are a fact family when you use the addition, subtraction, and equal symbols in this way. What happens if you don't know the total? Let's change this. Let's make the total unknown. Let's change some of these numbers as well. Let's say the 2 parts are 6 and 7. Now I need to change my counters to match that. Now I have 6 counters in this part and 7 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I must add a little bit more. 5, 6, 7. I can put the 2 parts together to get the total. Remember, the order of the add-ins doesn't matter. I will take my counters and push them up to the total to help me find my answer. So I have 7 on this side. I'm keeping them separate because later when I count them, you're going to see a little trick. I have 6 on this side to push up. Now I don't need to count every single counter because I've done a little trick. 7 is over here. Now I'm just going to count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my unknown is 13. My total is 13. Remember, now I need my subtraction equations. Always start with the total. Then subtract out one part to find the other part. And this will make 2 subtraction equations. So the numbers 6, 7, 13 are a fact family when the addition, subtraction, and equal sign are used in this way. I'm going to use my model to help me solve and then write the 4 fact family equations.